introduction and hook. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Ever felt like the stock market is this mysterious, complex beast only for the super rich or finance gurus? You're not alone. Many of us are looking for that clear, actionable guide to get started. And today we're diving into a book that promises just that. Investonomy, the stock market guide that makes you rich by the popular Indian financial educator, Pranjal Kamra. What is Investonomy? So what exactly is Investonomy? At its core, this book aims to simplify the world of equity investing, particularly for the Indian context. Pranjal Kamra, known for his engaging YouTube content, brings his straightforward approach to print, promising to demystify everything from basic financial terms to advanced value investing principles. Strengths: accessibility for beginners. One of Investonomy's biggest strengths is its incredible accessibility. If you're a complete beginner, this book is designed for you. Kamra breaks down complex jargon into easily digestible concepts. He starts with the absolute basics. What are shares? How does the stock market work? Building a solid foundation before moving on to more intricate ideas. The language is simple, relatable, and avoids overwhelming financials, making it a comfortable read for anyone dipping their toes into investing. Strengths: core investment, philosophy and behavioral finance. Beyond the basics, Investonomy champions the principles of value investing, drawing heavily from legends like Benjamin Graham and Warren Buffett. It emphasizes the importance of fundamental analysis, understanding a company's true worth rather than just its stock price. Crucially, Kamra also dedicates significant attention to behavioral finance. He highlights common psychological biases that can derail investment decisions, helping readers recognize and overcome pitfalls like herd mentality or overconfidence. This focus on the human element of investing is a major plus. Strengths: practicality and actionable advice. The book isn't just theoretical, it's highly practical. Kamra provides actionable insights on how to research companies, what to look for in management, and how to approach valuation. He stresses the power of patience and consistent, disciplined investing for long-term wealth creation. It truly feels like a guide that empowers you to chart your own investment path, rather than just spoon-feeding information. Considerations and limitations, the unbiased part. Now, for an unbiased perspective, let's talk about where Investonomy might have limitations. While excellent for beginners, intermediate or advanced investors might find some of the content too foundational. If you're already well-versed in fundamental analysis or behavioral finance, you might not discover many entirely new concepts. Also, some reviews of the audiobook version mention the lack of an accompanying PDF, which can be a drawback for concepts that rely on visual examples or data. Overall recommendation. So, who is Investonomy for? If you're new to the stock market, feeling overwhelmed, or simply want a clear, engaging introduction to value investing and financial literacy, this book is a fantastic starting point. It's a highly recommended read that can equip you with the mindset and basic tools to begin your wealth creation journey. It's less about get rich quick and more about get rich smart through disciplined, long-term investing. Have you read Investonomy? What were your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below. If not read the book, link is in bio. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more unbiased book reviews and financial insights. Thanks for watching and happy investing.